Hi, it's Alexis from Artists in Business, back with another video helping you turn your online art business into a success. Today, I'm going to talk to you about what it really means to scale your art business online in 2023. Scaling your art business online in 2023 requires a combination of effective marketing strategies, a strong online presence, and the ability to adapt to changing trends and technologies. But with the right approach, artists can reach a wider audience, increase sales, and build a sustainable business. So in this video, we'll discuss some key strategies for scaling your art business online this year. Number one, developing a strong brand identity. A strong brand identity is essential for scaling your art business online. Your brand should be consistent across all of your online platforms, including your website, social media profiles, and email marketing campaigns. Your brand identity should include a clear mission statement, visual branding elements such as a logo and a clear color scheme, and a unique value proposition that sets you apart from other artists in your niche. The best, most effective, and simplest way to create your brand identity is by creating your signature story. Now, this is the story that describes where your art comes from and why you create the art you create. It is that initial core story of yours that is unique to you and sets your brand apart from everyone else. It's also where your artistic vision and company mission stem from. So for a clear, straightforward step-by-step on how to create your signature story, click the link in the description below for our free signature story guide. Number two, build a strong online presence. Now, building a strong online presence is key to scaling your art business this year, but this means creating, first and foremost, a place for people to buy your offers online, whether that is through a website or just a single link that lets people pay you online. You'll eventually want to have a website, of course, but before you do, there's so much you can build in terms of sales, audience, and engagement with your ideal audience. So be sure to see my complete tutorial on how to sell your art online without a website in the description below if you're at all concerned about not having one to start. Now, in addition to your website, you should also have a presence on social media. These platforms allow you to connect with potential customers, build your brand, and promote your art or any creative offers you might be selling. However, in order to know which platforms to focus on and how to position yourself to find your ideal audience, you have to know who your audience is, or at least make the best educated guess about who they are, and then how to actually engage with them. There is a process to this you're going to want to adapt for yourself, so be sure to click the link below in the description to download our engagement map to help you establish that. Number three, invest in online advertising. Now, online advertising can be an effective way to scale your art business, especially in 2023. And many artists are taking advantage of this in the right ways for their businesses. However, one very important note here is that you need to first understand who your audience is and where they're spending time online. In order to properly gather the right information about this, be sure to download our engagement map. Platforms such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to target specific audiences with your advertising, ensuring that your message is reaching the right people. But again, take that first step to establishing who your audience is before moving into this. When creating your ads, make sure to use high-quality visuals and compelling messaging that highlights the unique value of your work or any offers you have. It's also important to test different ad formats and messaging to see what resonates the best with your target audience. I'm going to include this caveat one more time. You do not need to invest in advertising until you absolutely know who your audience is and what it is they want and need from you. So take my word for that and take that first step if you're not at this place already. and download that engagement map, as well as additional ideal audience resources we have linked for you in the discussion below. Number 4, expand your product line. Expanding your product line is a key strategy for scaling your business online in 2023. This means offering a wider range of products that appeal to different segments of your target audience. For example, you might consider offering prints in different sizes or formats, such as canvas prints or framed prints. You could also offer merchandise such as tote bags, mugs, or phone cases featuring your work. But, and this is a big but, you want to do this wisely by first establishing what your main or master offer is. Test that and get some sales from it, and then slowly bring other offers into the fold. It's very important to first put one offer to the test, see how it performs, then understand why it worked, what worked about it, and test other offers in a similar way. For a more nuanced explanation of this, see the link to our ArtBiz guidebook, which has a whole section on the master offer in the description below. Number 5, leverage influencer marketing. Now, influencer marketing involves partnering with social media influencers to promote your work or your offers to their followers. This can be a highly effective way to reach a wider audience and build credibility for your brand. When choosing influencers to partner with, look for those whose audience aligns with your target audience. Make sure to negotiate clear terms for the partnership, including compensation and the types of content that will be created. Number 6, focus on the customer experience. Providing an exceptional customer experience is crucial for scaling your art business online in 2023. This means providing fast and reliable shipping, responsive customer service, and a seamless buying experience. Make sure to communicate clearly with your customers throughout the buying process, from order confirmation to shipping updates. You should also make it easy for customers to contact you with any questions or concerns they may have. Number 7, use data analytics to make informed decisions. This one is my absolute favorite because data analytics can provide valuable insights into how your art business is performing online. By tracking metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, and customer demographics, you can make informed decisions about how to improve your online presence and reach a wider audience that is still within your niche, which is truly the key to building a business with your art. Platforms such as Google Analytics and social media analytic tools can provide detailed information about your audience, their behaviors, and the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. This is the main reason understanding how to work with a master offer is so key to your success in this area. Number 8, collaborate with other artists and brands. Collaborating with other artists and brands can be a powerful way to scale your art business in 2023. By partnering with other artists or businesses, you can share audiences and gain exposure to new potential buyers. That is one of the most effective and most fulfilling ways to build your audience online and begin to sell to the right people. More on that a little bit later. But for now, what is your most burning question or takeaway after watching this tutorial? Please share in the comments below so I can be sure to make more videos to answer your specific questions. And to keep up to date with the tutorials I post, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. When you subscribe, you help us reach you with the content you need most, and you help other artists and creatives in the process.